Hi,
Who is this?
it's me, Jade.
And Jade, how old are you?
3.
And give me the days of the week. Tell me the days of the week.
Saturday,
Yeah, continue.
Tuesday,
Close.
Tuesday,
After Tuesday.
Wednesday,
Then,
Thursday,
yes?
Sunday,
Friday.
Friday,
Sa-
Sunday,
Yeah, good. Now tell me the months of the year.
March,
Good.
April,
After April.
May,
Yes.
June,
Oh, whose birthday's in June?
mine,
How old will you be? 3?
3,
Jade? Jade?
4,
Jade, do you wipe your bum or does Mommy?
Mommy and Bobby and my kid.
Okay, thank you.